Hello guys, welcome on this video. Daniel is here from Tips to Fix, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you something very important. Windows 11 emergency updates that you have to do today, guys. If you are on a Windows 11 latest system, today we are going to talk about this new out-of-band update. You will not see this new update to fix the computer problems that I'm going to show you right now on the Windows Update area. So this is why this is very important for you guys to do it manually, like I'm going to show you today. These updates are urgent and highly recommended, guys, and you will not see on a Windows Update area, okay? So these fixes were rushed out after recent Windows security update and serious system level problems affecting both home users and business worldwide. What triggered this emergency Windows update? This is very important, guys. Restart automatically your computer. If you face your computer restarting automatically without hitting restart, it means that this is a problem and you have to fix it. Remain partially powered on, enter broken hibernate states. So if you try to hibernate your computer and it's broken, then this is very important to do. Over time, this can lead to system instability, increased power usage, possibility for file system corruption. So that's the point. Another critical issue is with remote desktop protocol. So there are some advanced users that they use remote desktop for their servers, and they have this problem with fail to remote logins, drop connection, authentication errors. So this is critical update, guys. So here are all updates for today that I'm showing you the links right here in my website. Go ahead and click in description and get these updates directly from Microsoft catalog. So now let me show you who needs this update. Okay, if you go here on a Microsoft post, so this is the new update that we are going to install, KB5077744. Okay, so this is for all users that are on the latest update on Windows 11 25H2, 24H2, 23H2, and also for Windows Server 2025 and Windows Server 2022. Okay, if you are on this build 7627, you need this. So let me show you exactly what I'm mentioning here. If you go to settings, guys, and here on the settings, if you go to system and all the way down about system, and here you will see the Windows 11 Pro for workstation is in my case, and I'm on 25H2, and if you see this build, this is what I'm talking about. 7723 7623 update. All of you guys that you are on this build, you are going to do this update today. Now, how to get these updates, guys? I'm going to show you right now. Go and search in Google Microsoft catalog. Here on Microsoft update catalog, start searching, search for this new update that I mentioned, KB5077744. Search for it. Watch carefully which version we have to download. So if you are on 25H2 and 24H2 on Windows 11 Pro Edition or Home Edition, you are going to download this version right now. Here it is. You are not on this kind of processor. We are on the other one. In my case, I need this 25H2, okay, and I'm on a 64-based Intel system processor. And now, here it is. If you are on 24H2, you have to download this one, x64 based system. Okay, now let's download in my case. So here is the button to download this one here. This is for me. You will see here two versions. I'm going to download this, the second one, okay? Here it is. Click on this link and the download will start automatically, okay? And now this is 3.7 gigabyte because it's full update, cumulative update, and there are all packages that you need. If you are on 24H2, you will see it here. 24H2 is this fourth link, and you are going to download. Go ahead, download this KB507774064-bit. Okay, for 23H2 you need this update, KB5077797. Okay, not 44 but 97. And if you are on Windows Server 2025, you need this 93, and what you are going to do, just copy this text. You can click on my link and you can find directly here, or search on Microsoft catalog with the same number. If you was thinking what is the difference between two links, this is the regular update and this is the fix that we need. Okay, so here is my update. Double click on this. Here it is. You will see this Windows Update standalone installer. You will see another pop-up here, Windows Update standalone installer. Do you want to install the following Windows Update? This new update, click yes, and this, it will start updating your system. Okay, so guys, this process will take 5 minutes, and after we install this update, we are going to restart the computer and check it out and see if we are on the latest update. If you don't want to do this like I'm doing today manually, you will see this update in the next Windows Update, maybe in the end of the month or maybe in the next month, so you don't know. So this is the reason why Windows put this update online. You have to do this update in every computer that you have, okay? Using the latest Windows 11, 25H2, 24H2, 23H2, Windows Server 2025. If you don't want to have any open port on your computer, if you wanted to be protected and be super secure on your latest Windows 11, you have to do this update, guys. If this process takes very long for you guys, it means that you are not in SSD or M2 drive, you are on hard drive. So if you want to know how to upgrade your computer and make it faster, I did another video tutorial how to increase the speed on Windows 11, 15 tricks, a lot of new tricks, guys. Go ahead, watch the video, speed up your Windows 11. Okay, now we are going to restart the computer completely. Okay guys, here we are after restarting. Go to settings again and system. Let's see about device, and you see now the build is 7627, not 23 like it was before. Okay, see the update history. This is installed successfully. If you install this, now you are good and your computer is safe on the latest update. So guys, if you are not in the latest build like I am today, 25H2, and you wanted to install it, but you are searching on Windows Update and you don't see the new update, so if you don't know how to do it, I did another video tutorial for this, guys, because there is a small patch that you are going to do, suggested by Microsoft officially, to see this version here, 25H2. Go ahead, watch the other video tutorial that I did for this topic. Okay guys, and if you wanted to upgrade from Windows 10 to the latest Windows 11 25H2, but your computer is unsupported, yes, there is a method how to do it. Go ahead, watch my famous video tutorial. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget this. God bless you guys, and see you on the next video tutorial.